welcome to my channel. So my name is Eve, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. And if you are an old subscriber and you're still subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back. Like, I love you guys all. But anyways, today we are doing a protective style, and today we're gonna be using the crochet method. So that's why my hair is like braided back. And the hair we're gonna be using is this amazing pinky hair from AliExpress. I'm gonna put everything in the description bar, so if you would like to get this hair, like, everything's gonna be in the description bar. You can check it out. What you need for this video is crochet pin of your choice. I'm gonna be using two of them, like this big one and this little one. And also you need scissors, you know, to cut anything like you don't want on the hair. So for the crochet method, the braids I will be using is this straight back cornrows, and right now I'm having 9 braids going back. So there's no hair left out, because, you know, we don't want none of that. We don't want, it's winter, we don't want no breakage, we don't want our hair falling out. So this is why we are having, like, you know, a straight back. Every hair is tapped in, you know. These ends, we don't want them sticking out or poking out of our protective hairstyle. So to have a protective hairstyle, you need to secure every bit of your hair. So what I'm going to be doing is, like, with the ends of my braids, I'm going to insert it into my cornrows. So with this side, we want it to go across, like crosswards on the opposite side, and this one goes on the opposite side, you know. So yeah, let's just get into it. Like, as you can see, this is how my braids is looking like at the back. So it's very simple. And to just get it started, we're gonna take one hair and put it in the other braid, and then we're gonna close our large hook and then pull the hair out.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. 'Cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, baby, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild on your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural baby that way. Beauty in the world is your smile. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love, it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite.
Hey guys, sorry I couldn't finish the hair on camera, but I am back to show you guys the final result. So this is how the hair looks like, and this is the front, like the front part of the hair, and you can flip it to have, like, a side part. So let's say you want to have like a side part like on this side like this. All right, hold up, let me fix it up. So you can have a side part like this as well, and it looks really natural. Like, let me show you a close up. So this is how the hair looks like with the side part on this side. Oh. And that's how it looks like. And if you want to have it on the other side as well, you can still flip it like either side you want to have it. If you want to have it here, you want to have it here. But I normally like wearing mine on this side like that. So I'm just going to show you guys. So this is the other side part to the hair. Like this. Right. Let me just put it in shape. So this is the other part. I'm just going to talk a little bit of how I went about achieving this hairstyle. Like, to make it look as natural as possible. Like, so what I did was I crocheted like normally, and with the front, I used with the front of the hair, I used a small crochet pin, which I will show you guys, or which you guys already seen. I used a small crochet pin to go over like the front bit, because, like, to just like make it look as natural as possible. And then I left like my edges out so like it blends in with the hair. And also because this hair was like so big, so I decided to cut off some of it, and then like the hair from there I used to the front to have like no like tiny bits of baby hair. I don't know if you can wait, I don't know where they are right now, but yeah, I used some of like the hairs I cut from the back, and like the long strings of hair I cut it, and then I used it to the front, and I also added some in the middle, like just to thicken the hair and fill up gaps and stuff that was like still there. And with this hair I used like I used like 3 bundles to have like this thickness and this the proper size for this. This really looks natural, like you can wear it anywhere and people will actually think like it's your real hair. Like, look at it. And also the good thing about the hair, it left like the so it left like these type of hair. Wait, it left like these type of hair, and what it does is like it blends, so it hides like the lines of the hair, and also makes it look like new growth, or like some hair growing out of your scalp. So like people don't really focus much on like the crochet part of the hair, because like that covers the hair. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys also enjoy what I did with this hair, and if you would like to get the same hair as me, or if you like to get this look, make sure to check the description bar to see where I got the hair from. And yeah, that is it. Bye.